But first, to that verdict today in the defamation action brought by former SAS trooper Ben Roberts-Smith against the Nine Media Group and its journalists over claims he had unlawfully killed Afghan civilians and prisoners, amongst other things, while on the battlefield in Afghanistan. To defend what they had written, the media relied on the truth defence, that what they wrote about Roberts-Smith was the truth, and on the balance of probabilities, the judge, Anthony Bosanko, found in the media's favour. The allegations against one of our country's most decorated soldiers are in the category of serious war crimes. But I want to make the point that they have not been proven to the standard we require in a normal criminal trial. That's beyond reasonable doubt, because this defamation action was a civil trial. So it's the lower burden of proof, and that's the balance of probabilities. It was also a decision by a single judge, not a jury trial. Today's outcome will likely be appealed, as I said, by Roberts-Smith. And until that happens, I'm not going to be one of those in the media tonight joining in on the pylon against Ben Roberts-Smith. Unlike many in the media who'll report on this issue this evening, I've met Ben Roberts-Smith in my previous life working in government in Canberra. And I've also visited the war zone where these alleged crimes took place on 4 separate occasions. And if there's a hell on earth, then Afghanistan is that hell. Of course, even in war, our soldiers are expected to act honourably, and it's never right to harm prisoners. On the other hand, we have to accept that terrible things happen in war, especially after people have seen their mates slaughtered or brought in a prisoner accused of making suicide vests or an IED bomb maker, only to later see them released on some sort of legal technicality. Now, it doesn't make it right, but I would always be slow to judge from the safety of my office in Canberra or this desk on TV the morality of people who put their lives on the line for our country. And tonight I remain full of respect for all those who wear our country's uniform.